On a quiet morning in 1674, a Dutch cloth merchant held a tiny drop of water under the lens he made by hand. He lifted it toward the sunlight, and for the first time in human history, someone saw life that had been invisible for thousands of years. Tiny creatures swimming in a world no one knew existed. This is the story of the first time humans ever saw bacteria. For most of history, people didn't know bacteria existed. When someone got sick, they blamed bad air, curses, or fate. No one imagined that millions of tiny, living beings were around us, on food, in water, on our skin, and even inside our bodies. Microscopes existed, but they were weak. People used them only to look at insects or small plants. No one believed there was life smaller than what the eye could see. In the Dutch city of Delft lived Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a cloth merchant. He wasn't trained in science. He had no degree or formal background, but he had a strange passion, making lenses. He spent hours polishing tiny pieces of glass until they were clearer than any lens in Europe. His microscopes were so small they could fit between 2 fingers, yet they were more powerful than anything scientists owned. One day, Leeuwenhoek placed a single drop of rainwater under his microscope. To the naked eye, the water looked clean, but when he looked through his tiny lens, the world changed. He saw tiny moving shapes, living creatures too small to be seen before. They swam, twisted, and moved like they had purpose. He then checked other samples, water from a lake, water with pepper left inside, and even plaque from his own teeth. Everywhere he looked, there were living beings. He called them animalcules, meaning little animals. This was the first time humans had seen bacteria. When Leeuwenhoek wrote letters to the Royal Society in London about what he saw, scientists were shocked. Many doubted him. How could a cloth seller discover what the smartest minds had missed? Some accused him of lying. Others said he must have imagined it. So they asked him to repeat the experiments in front of witnesses. He agreed. Using his tiny lens, he showed them the microscopic creatures swimming in the water. Slowly, the scientific world accepted the truth. A hidden universe had been revealed. Leeuwenhoek did not fully understand his discovery, but his work opened the door to the science of microbiology. It led to germ theory, the idea that tiny organisms can cause disease, change medicine, hygiene, food safety, and the way humans understand life itself. A simple lens, a drop of water, and a curious mind. That's all it took to uncover a world that had been invisible since the beginning of time.